Hey tea lovers, welcome back to another tea of the week. As the temperature drops and it's getting chillier, we're excited to share a tea that not only warms you up from the inside out, but also promotes healthy circulation. This is Organic Circulation Support. Organic Assam is the black tea that makes up the base of this blend. Black tea is high in antioxidants such as catechins and flavonoids, which can improve blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. Black tea can also improve the function of endothelial cells that line the blood vessels. Healthy endothelial function is crucial for regulating blood flow and preventing vascular disorders. Organic ginger root contains compounds like gingerol and zingerone, which have vasodilatory effects, supporting improved blood flow and circulation. Additionally, the antioxidants in ginger can help protect blood vessels from oxidative stress, preserving their elasticity and function. Organic cacao nibs contain cacao flavonoids that can stimulate the production of nitric oxide in the body, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and supports proper blood flow. This can lead to better circulation throughout the body. Organic hawthorn berries can enhance the strength and efficiency of heart contractions. This can lead to better circulation as the heart pumps blood more effectively. Additionally, chronic inflammation can damage blood vessels, but hawthorn berries contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may reduce chronic inflammation in the cardiovascular system. Organic turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. These can help prevent the chronic inflammation that can lead to damaged blood vessels and impeded circulation. The antioxidants in turmeric can also help protect blood vessels from oxidative stress and damage. Organic ginkgo can improve microcirculation by increasing blood flow in small capillaries. This can particularly be beneficial for areas with limited blood supply, like hands and feet. Ginkgo can also inhibit excessive platelet aggregation or clumping, which can reduce the risk of blood clots and improve blood flow. Organic black pepper is rich in antioxidants and an important ingredient to add to blends where turmeric is present. The piperine in peppercorns helps the body absorb the active compound curcumin in turmeric. Next up, let's make a recipe using organic circulation support. We're going to make an organic circulation support mocha. Start by steeping your 2 teaspoons of organic circulation support tea in 4 ounces of nearly boiling water for about 4 minutes. While this is steeping, you can heat up your 4 ounces of milk and set aside. Remove the tea leaves from the steeped tea, add your vanilla extract, then your heated milk, and your chocolate syrup or cocoa powder depending on which you're using. Give this a stir and enjoy this delicious tea latte full of circulation benefits. Thank you so much for joining us for this week's Tea of the Week. I hope you enjoyed learning about organic circulation support tea with us today, and we'll give it a try to keep yourself warm during these chilly months. You can find the links in the description below, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!